Hello all. Today we are going to see a small demonstration as to why C++ is considered to be a semi-object oriented programming language. As we know, a programming language to be considered to be object oriented must have a class and object philosophy. That is, it should have an object that would call its main class. First of all, here is a program named Test2. This program has a basic purpose of having a function named display. The display prints out a simple statement. First, we have declared a function display under the class test2. An object for the class test2 has been created and the object calls the function. Now, if we run this, the code runs and here is the output of the program. But as we see in this another program named T1, you can see that I have not mentioned the class anywhere. It's here, it's a main function and the display function. The display function is being called from the main function, and if we run this, it does the same job of providing the output as the previous program. So as we see, C++ does not necessitate the use of a class to necessarily compute the same functionality. The same function to achieve a print statement can be done without using a class as well as with using a class. This makes C++ a classic example of being a semi-object oriented programming among various other reasons. That's it for this video. More concepts on object-oriented programming coming your way soon enough. Thank you.